When the screaming of people got over and you are bounding to join them, to connect them and bear the screaming, they shout, they scold, sometimes they backbite of you. All the things really hurts you. Friends, I want to ask a question. If you have 86,400 rupees and you are walking through the road and enjoying the walking, by chance anyone snatch your 10 rupees, then what will you do? Will you save your rest money or will you run behind the person who snatched the 10 rupees? Viewers, if you are running behind the person who take your 10 rupees, so you are the biggest fool of the world. Save and care about what do you have. You are the blessed, you have something to save. Save and use the rest time and money in your life. What happening with us if a person is insulting of you and went and leave? We still think about that person again and again. Remind his harsh word in our mind. Tease ourselves why another person and his word are too much important in our life. Why we cannot forget the harsh word which burn our heart. Remember, the beauty of life is with our smile. Learn, decorate, smile on your face. If a person is throwing a stone towards you, be careful, be calmful, and focus on your dream, on your success. Don't waste your energy, your patience to listen. Members, use their stones for your success and make a schedule of your exercises. Do meditations because every day is beginning of the life. Take a long breath and stand again. Be relaxed and calmful. Don't give another person value in your life. Don't feel their harsh and painful word. Don't listen again and again. Don't ask from you any question that you are wrong anywhere. Ask just you have not any kind of problem in your inner side. If a person is saying so, that is their fault, not your fault. You are not responsible for the other person. You are not responsible. You are not answerable to everyone. You know to yourself how you are. So why giving concentration, attention to those who are not valuable in your life? Care of your life, care of yourself, and be relaxed, be happy in your life.